Welcome to a quick guide on adding languages to your WordPress website. Let's make your site accessible to a global audience. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. It's your command center for all website management. Next, navigate to Plugins and click Add New. This is where the magic begins. Search for multilingual plugins. Choose a recommended one and hit Install Now. This step is crucial. Once installed, activate the plugin and follow the setup wizard. It's simple and intuitive. Finally, add languages in the plugin settings. Your global reach starts here. Preview your website to ensure everything looks perfect. This is the final touch. Test the functionality of the language switcher. Make sure it operates smoothly for visitors. Remember, a multilingual site enhances user engagement and expands your audience. Keep your content fresh in all languages. Regular updates are key to success. Thank you for watching. Now, go build your multilingual success story. Like and subscribe for more tips on enhancing your WordPress experience. Until next time.